Baby snoring her head off.
Eddie's girl. No way I can deny her with a snore like that.
No. I think it's time for bed.